It is June 19th, and I just wanted to give a quick update. So most everything has been painted and sanded down. The closet's been done. The master bunk here on the bottom, Brian fixed this bottom piece, and we'll show it with the attached piece in when it's all folded out. The aluminum, quilted aluminum has been shined up. That was awesome. See, that's all the gunk. He fixed the dinette. All the new structure is in, and that's been painted. So with the table down there, makes a bed. And then the bunks on the top had to be repaired as well. So that's pretty much it. There's lots of swearing going on right now. Lots of swearing, and we leave Friday. So, oh, and here's the ice box. We pulled it out and spray painted the edges there, and we'll show the door here in a little bit. Did I mention we leave Friday?